Dear GZ friends, today we're going to prepare the utmost classic of all classics, mussels, clams and squid, a taste of sea that even Gino Paoli won't resist. Seafood spaghetti. Get him really hungry. Let's start with a bang with Carl's mussels and clams. I've already cleaned and purged them. I'll show you how. So, mussels. I debearded them by simply pulling the beard towards me. And then, with a knife under running water, I scraped any debris. Perfect. As for the Carl's clams, I kept them in salt water for a couple of hours, occasionally changing the water. In order to remove any sand, you know what? Tap them against the sink like this. When the Caribbean rhythm is over, you're done. Here I am, ready. Hot frying pan, nice round of oil, ole. In the mussels, and in the clams. Let's cover it with a lid. Every now and then a decisive stir. In 3-4 minutes our shellfish will be wide open. Ready, away from the fire. A nice bowl where to pour our nice shellfish. Shellfish transferred. Let's save the cooking water too. Pot and extra fine strainer. That's to prevent unpleasant sand to end up in the dish. We'll carefully keep this cooking water warm up. All we have to do is to open mussels and clams. What a pain in the neck.
Tu mare profumo di mare, gli spaghetti io voglio mangiare.
Mission mussels and clams archived. I'll keep aside some with a shell for the final decoration. We can deal with shrimps and squid. I've already cleaned them, but I'll show you how to do it. Let's go to the tap. So, first of all, let's remove the tuft. Then out too. We'll dry something later. This I had already sent in another video. Then we'll remove the skin, only if you wish. You could even leave it. Out of the entrails. Total rinse inside.
Opla.
Off the tuft. Off the eye. And there we are.
Ole. Zac.
Chopping board and knife. And we cut our friend into strips. Like this. If the tuft is too Elvis style, we give it a trim like this. Squid super clean, only the shrimps are missing. What did I do? I took my nice shrimp, placed it belly up, and with a very useful and clever pair of scissors, I have cut slowly, then very gently we free it from the shell. So it's even cuter. Then with a toothpick we go looking for the black line and gently pull it out. The fish are all ready. Let's move to the stove. We cut garlic in half. Let's peel it. Drizzle of oil. A little garlic. Squid in. 5 minutes have gone past. We can blend with white wine. Let's remove the garlic that has done its job. Come here, come here. We add the cherry tomatoes already sliced into 4 wedges. Let the tomatoes simmer for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we can cook the pasta. The tomatoes have cooked for 5 minutes. What is missing is the shrimps, which will only need short cooking time. A pinch of salt and a nice grind of pepper. Spaghetti are about 4 minutes away from cooking. We can transfer them in the pan to finish cooking them in there. And see that now how mussels and clams cooking water comes in handy. We will wet the spaghetti exactly with it. Look how creamy it has become. Only mussels and clams are now missing. Let's add them in the pan. Only parsley is missing. Nicely chopped. Even some lemon zest would be nice, but it's up to you. The pasta is perfectly creamy, we can serve it. Look how cute my spaghetti are. A dish full of flavours and with an irresistible scent. Your guests are going to fight over it to mop up all the sauce. Seafood spaghetti, this is my version. I'm waiting for yours. I shall taste it in the meanwhile. You never know, they might not be ready.
Oh, buoni. Bravo.